Welcome back to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with our second Sega Genesis game. That's going to be Wheel of Fortune. Let's see how it goes. We just finished playing Jeopardy and we won $100,000. Let's see what Wheel has in store for us.
Players would you like? Would you like to play against the computer? Please enter your name.
Okay.
Please choose a character. Please enter your name.
We have Linda facing me today.
Please choose a character. Please enter your name.
And we have Samantha, two ladies facing me.
Please choose a character.
Top dollar value for our first round is $1,500. First round category is things. Let's get going.
Choose a letter.
There are three of them. That's $1,050 right there.
Choose a letter.
There are three ends. That's $4,500 worth right there. And I just figured out the solution to this puzzle. Let's keep going.
Choose a letter.
A D. Another $3,000 coming my way. There are two D's. A lot of money right now. Let's keep it going. R.
Choose a letter.
Two R's, another $3,000. And we just hit the five figures. $11,550. I would like to keep going.
Choose a letter.
One T. 13,050.
Choose a
L.
letter.
One L. 14,550. Keep going. A G.
Choose a letter.
Will indeed have a G. $16,050. Let's keep going.
Choose
And I'll have
letter.
a B. That's $17,550 at the end of the first round. Lions and tigers and bears. Oh my!
Congratulations!
We're ready for round two. We have a $2,500 space on the wheel, and we're going to try to solve a person this time. And Linda, you get to start. You finally get a chance to play. for long, you're gonna lose a turn staring at you. Samantha.
Choose a letter.
S. And you have $750 because there are 3 S's. Okay. Spinning. $1,500.
Choose a letter.
L. But her luck has just run out. No L. Come on, we won it. Oh, there's that 25.
Choose
Is there
a
an
letter.
F? We have $200. 1 F. Spin it again. Okay. There we go.
Choose a
R?
letter.
There's no R. Linda.
Choose a letter.
Is there a P? No. Samantha, you have $750. What do you want to do? She's buying a vowel. An O. Okay, we have 3 O's. $500 left, and it's still your turn.
Choose a letter.
1 M. Okay, I'll ask. Danielle, where are you hiding? Okay, I'll ask. Danielle, where are you hiding? Alright, there's 1 E. Samantha spinning.
Choose a letter.
T. 1 T.
I'm not telling you where I'm hiding. You gotta guess.
Okay, are you hiding somewhere in your house? Okay, are you hiding somewhere in your house? Well, Samantha got a bankrupt, so it's over to me. Okay!
Choose
Let me
a
have a
letter.
D. 3 of them.
Yes.
Okay, are you hiding in your bedroom?
Choose a
I'll have
letter.
a G. I'm also messaging Patrick Butler at the same time because he's talking to one of his friends and she wants me to guess where she's hiding.
Yes.
Choose a letter.
W. So I was right. Awesome. I'll have an
letter.
H. And I'll have an N.
Choose a letter.
For another $17,700, Athena, goddess of wisdom. $5,200 so far. We
Congratulations!
have a $5,000 spaced out on the wheel, and our category for this round is thing. We'll start with Samantha.
How about in her house she is?
Choose a letter.
Are you hiding under your bed sheets?
Choose a letter.
No R, Linda.
Choose a letter.
Cash.
Choose a letter.
Strike one.
Are you hiding in your closet?
Choose a letter.
Strike two.
Choose a letter.
Okay, are you hiding under your bed?
Choose a letter.
No, strike three. Nope, she was hiding in her shirt.
What? As for what I'm doing right now, I'm currently playing Wheel of Fortune for the Sega Genesis. Uh-oh. I meant to say Sega Genesis. Now I gotta hide somewhere.
Choose a letter.
Oh, Samantha got it, but I still get to go to the bonus round.
Congratulations!
things will be the category. I'll take the H. And RSTLNE. Alright, M. C. K. A. Oh, lymph nodes.
Congratulations, you've
And
won
I
the bonus
won
round.
a speedboat along with $35,250. See you all for another game.
She put her head under her shirt. And she wanted to tell you peekaboo.